So here's how you apply for YouTube monetization. Just sign in to your YouTube account and then go to YouTube Studio. And if you click that, it will bring you to your YouTube channel dashboard. So just go ahead, click it. And then here, it's your channel dashboard. Find the $sign on the bottom left part of your screen. Click it and it will bring you to this page which says you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Those are required to be monetized. And click apply at the bottom of this one. It's not included in my screen, but it's there. If you will notice, there's step 1, step 2, and step 3 after you click apply. So click start for step number 1, and it will bring you to the YouTube Partner Program terms. They want you to review it, read it just slowly or skim through it, and make sure you understand the basics. Click the I accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. You can also check email me updates or not, but I want updates, so I click it. Click accept terms. And now you have to wait until it says it's done. Step 1 is done. So if you will notice, there's a gray line running through the top of the screen. That means it's loading, it's processing. So later on, step number 1 will say it's done. And that's the time you can proceed to step number 2 here. It's already done. It's on green colored text. Now you click start on step number 2, and this is about signing up for your Google AdSense. You can select yes if you have an existing account. I don't have one, so I'll check no or select no, and I'll make it from here. I'll create an account from here. You can click continue, and it will bring you to this part. You can choose a Gmail account that you want to use for your Google AdSense. I'm gonna choose my personal business email. Okay, and I'll just click it, and it will bring me to this form, a sign up form for Google AdSense. This is the link of your channel, and then if you want to get more out of AdSense, you can also select that or not. It depends on you. It's not really important. The territory or country is very important. So go to your country. I'm from the Philippines, of course. I'm gonna put Philippines here, and there's another terms that you need to review. Just slowly scroll it down and read it if you want. Skim through it if you're in a hurry. And then there's a box at the bottom of it. Just put a check on it and say create account. Now after you will proceed from this part, it will bring you to another page from Google AdSense, which will be used for you to fill up some more informations about yourself. So go click create account. Now we're here, Google AdSense, and it says customer information. So what I did here is I make sure I took a screenshot of this payments profile. Okay, and then it says here that I can put create payments profile, but I did not do it yet. I don't have to do it now. So what's important is the address. So you have to make sure you have the right address. So this is not my recent address, so I'm gonna change it. Make sure the spelling is right. I'm having a hard time on the real spelling of my address, but then I input everything, made sure it's correct, and just click proceed or next or save. I don't know, I cannot see it on my screen, but it's there. Okay, when you fill up that form, it says you will be redirected back to YouTube, and that means you have successfully created a Google AdSense account. So just click redirect, and it will bring you back to YouTube. Step number 1 and then step number 2. So you have to wait until it says step number 2 is in progress. So they will review your Google AdSense account, and after a few while you will receive an email that says your Google AdSense is now approved or active, or you now have an account in your Google AdSense. So make sure to check the email that you use in making your Google AdSense account. So basically that's it. Step 1 and step 2, those are the only steps that you need to do to apply for YouTube monetization. It's actually so easy. Step 3, you don't have to go here, but I decided to click that link. So basically it's all about some things that you can read and some things that you can refer to. I just said yes, it's helpful, but you don't have to do this. You don't have to do anything in step number 3 actually. So step 1, step 2, step 3, you will receive a YouTube confirmation if your channel is approved, usually after 24 hours and above. So mine, I receive it after 24 hours from applying. So here's my email. It says it's from YouTube, and it says congratulations, you have been approved to join the YouTube partner program. That means my channel can now have ads. So what you will do when you receive this is you will put ads to your video. So I'm gonna make another video to show how you can put ads to your videos in YouTube, because it's not automatic. So once you're approved, you need to do something to put ads, to activate the ads in your video so you can start to earn. So I'm so glad I have this email. I hope you will get yours too. So yeah, basically that's it. That's how easy it is to apply for YouTube monetization program. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorials.